Welcome to Best Wheels Japan. Join us as we dive into the exciting world of Japanese car auctions. In this video, we'll give you an inside look at a bustling auction house, where you'll see numerous people and companies bidding on a wide variety of vehicles displayed on screens. Learn how to participate in the bidding process and discover how Best Wheels Japan can help you secure and import the vehicle of your dreams. In this video, Auction House Tour. We enter the auction house, see many people sitting and bidding on cars. I find my seat and sit down. A computer screen is in front of me. I scan my card to open the car auction. Numerous cars are listed with bidding and auction numbers. By touching the screen, I can view car details and the auction sheet. When I find a car I want, I place a bid. After the final bid, I win the car. From auction to import. Follow us from the auction house to our company yard at Best Wheels Japan. See how we handle the entire buying and importing process, ensuring smooth and efficient delivery. Learn about our import services to various regions, including Russia, Tanzania, the Bahamas, Dominica, Uganda, Germany, and more.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and visit our website www.bestwheelsjapan.com.